Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram feed to your Shopify store. With this setup, your latest Instagram posts will automatically show up on your store, and when someone clicks on your post, they'll be taken directly to your Instagram page. Pretty cool, right? Let's get started. So first, when you're on your Shopify dashboard, click on apps and then on recommended apps and then on Shopify App Store. Then you can search in the search bar for Insta Feed. I would recommend the app Insta Feed Instagram Feed. And then once you find it, click on Install App. Then click on Install. The next step is to connect your Instagram account. Then it should look like this, and now you can customize your Instagram feed for your Shopify. You have now the option to choose a feed title. Then there's the setting for what should happen when you click on a post. I select that I want to be redirected to Instagram. Here you can adjust the spacing between the posts. So I clicked on big spacing, but you can also choose none. You can also choose whether you want rounded corners or not, and the post format, and you can also choose the number of rows. I selected 1 here. Then after making the adjustments, click on Save Feed. Then go back to edit your theme. Then I simply add a new section and then on Apps and InstaFeed app. And here you have your InstaFeed in your Shopify store. Now I'm making a few small adjustments. First I'll change the background color here. And personally, I also want to add a title. I go here to rich text. And that's it. We've successfully integrated our Instagram feed into our Shopify store. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.